Hey there, let's tackle this integral together. We're going to start this off making sure each part makes sense. Our goal is to figure out the integral of 6x squared times the square root of 3x cubed minus 1, all with respect to x. Basically, we're just finding the antiderivative, the undo button for the derivative. The trickiest part here is that square root. It's like a tangled knot. To untangle it, we're going to use a special technique called U-substitution. Think of it like swapping out a complicated part of the problem for a simpler letter, U, to make things easier to see. We need to pick a U that when we take its derivative looks a lot like another part of our integral. See that 3x cubed minus 1 inside the square root? If we let U be that entire expression, 3x cubed minus 1, then when we find its derivative, which we call du, we get 9x squared dx. Now, look back at our original integral. We have 6x squared dx outside the square root. Our du has 9x squared dx. They're similar, right? We can make them match. We can rewrite dx as du divided by 9x squared. Now let's put our u and our new dx back into the integral. It becomes the integral of 6x squared times the square root of u times du over 9x squared. Notice how the x squared terms cancel out? That's the magic. We're left with the integral of 6/9 times the square root of u du. 6/9 simplifies to 2/3, and the square root of u is the same as u raised to the power of 1/2. So now we have a much simpler integral, 2/3 times the integral of u to the power of 1/2 du. From here, we would use the power rule. Feel free to try finishing.